High five. Too slow. Oh shit! I love you. You love me back? You dummy! Oh, you love.
Would you stop, Franco?
We'll grab him up. I'm gonna find Nolan before Street does.
She really be having the nerve to look at me crazy whenever I accidentally trip on her. But it's like, girl.
He broke the fucking window.
I'm gonna tell your daddy. No, I'm telling him. Yes.
Riley, are you sad? No?
Good boy, Pinky. Oh, are you okay, Pinky? What's wrong, buddy? Look at me. What's wrong with your eye? Oh, you wanna go outside?
Somebody wants to